An open conical vessel has a base radius 5 centimeter. Its perpendicular height is 8 centimeter. See this radius, base radius 5 centimeter and perpendicular height is 8 centimeter. The vessel is completely filled with water. Few spherical balls of radius 0.5 centimeter are dropped inside this conical vessel and 1/4 of the volume of water in the vessel flows out. Find the number of spherical balls dropped in the vessel. Now, see this. We have given dimensions of this conical vessel. Base radius 5 centimeter. I have taken here capital letter R, and perpendicular height is also given H 8 centimeter, and for this spherical ball we have given radius 0.5 centimeter. Now when we drop some number of balls inside this conical vessel containing water, then 1/4 of water spills out or flows out. When this is completely filled up to brim, and when we add some spherical balls, then some water, means 1/4 of volume of water comes out or flows out, or we say spills out. Did you get it? Therefore, question, find number of balls. Find number of balls. I have written here everything. So we will find directly number of balls. See here. Therefore, we write here directly number of balls. These are spherical. Number of balls spherical. Okay, is equal to, see this carefully. See this carefully. 1/4 of volume of water spills out or comes out or flows out. So we find that volume 1/4 into volume of spills water or flows water. 1/4 into volume of flows water, means that is conical, because this is conical in shape, so that is also in conical shape. Did you get it? Volume of flows water, that is in the shape of cone. Did you get it? Upon volume of spherical ball, volume of a spherical ball, volume of a spherical ball. Did you get it? Therefore, see here, number of balls. See this, 1/4 into volume of cone. What is 1/3 pi r square h. This is volume of cone. Did you get it? Upon volume of a spherical ball. Volume of a spherical ball, 4/3 pi r cube. Now here pi cancelled. Okay. Now we put here values. See this. Here 1/12 into r. square. What is R? 5 into 5. Okay, H 8 upon 4 upon 3 into R cube. R cube we write this way, 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. Did you get it? Now see this carefully, is equal to, here 4 3s and 4 2s. Okay, 5 into 5 25, 25 into 2 50 upon 3. Okay, now here this 3 at a denominator we take this 3 at numerator, then what is left here? This 4 and see this 0.5, or directly we write here, see this 1 2 3, 3 decimal places, so we put here 3 zeros directly, and we write here 5 into 5 into 5, 125. Did you get it? Now 4 into this 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5, 3 decimal places, so we give 3 zeros on this 3 when we take that 3 at the numerator. Now here 3 ones are. Okay, then 128 125 8s are. Okay, 1000 and 4 2s are. Therefore number of spherical balls added in the conical vessel are, or here is equal to, see this 50 into 2, 50 into 2 means 100, means when we drop 100 balls, spherical balls, in that conical vessel containing water, then 1/4 of volume of water flows out from that conical vessel.